Hello, I am your dear Sukumar debbarma, the secretary and founder of Sal Sampli Residential English School Higher Secondary. Today I am coming in front of you all to say something for the candidate, those who are appearing board exam, CBSE and state board, Tripura Board of Secondary Education and other state plus CBSE. My dear student, this is the time to know, to learn something from someone who is already experienced in this field. My dear student, as you are preparing for the board exam, you may have tension, you may have tension, you may have mental pressure. First point I want to say, nothing to be tension. Your only work is to study. First point I want to say, try to complete your syllabus as far as possible. Okay, if you have not completed, well and good. You might have completed 95%, 90%, 80%. Now that 80%, you have to revise. Without revision, don't go ahead. If you revise this 80%, then only you study the rest percentage, maybe 20, maybe 15, maybe 10. Why I request you to revise? Because revision is very important. Every human being forget. Not only you forget your study or topic, but remember, everybody forget. That is why we need to revise. Now question come, when will you revise? Maybe 2 days, after 3 days or 4 days. It depends upon your practice, it depends upon your memory. So please, my request, please revise. Please revise. Revision is very, very important. Without revision, if we go ahead, we will forget many things. We will forget many things. Then what is the use of going ahead without remembering the past, what you practice? So now another point I want to bring. During this revision, during your study, syllabus completion, you evaluate yourself. Evaluate yourself. You have to evaluate what is a negative point, what is strong point, where is your weakness. Why you cannot write fast, try to write fast. If you cannot read fast, you try to read fast. If you forget certain point, dates, years, then some formulas, you please repeat, revise again and again. So revision is very, very important. So during this study time, revision time, another point is that very, very important, concentration. Concentration is very, very important. You may sit for 5 hours, 10 hours, but your productivity is only 1 hour. It is no meaning. It is no meaning. That is why, please, 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 please put your concentration. Concentration is very, very important. So once you study for 1 hour or 1.5 hours, if you study with full concentration, your productivity will be 100%. Without productivity, only spending time is no meaning. Now during this board exam, you may have, this is a celebration season. It is a New Year, Christmas, and many other small community festivals are coming. So my dear student, this time, this board exam, pre-test or final exam, these 2.5 months, within these 2.5 months, nothing to be diverted. Please control yourself. No party, no birthday, no marriage, no friend circles marriage. Please attend yourself in. Be with yourself with book. Your friend, only one friend is your book. Only one friend is your study. So that is why, my dear parents also, you please avoid all kinds of programs and functions. Be with your children. Be with your daughter. Be with your son. Only 2.5 months. Because we need big change. We need good marks. Yes, that's very true. Without pain, no gain. Without pain, no gain. If you want to bring change in your daughter's life, in your son's life, please avoid everything. So let us do something that is called no pain, no gain. So please come out of your comfort zone. Coming out of the comfort zone, miracles come. Coming out of the comfort zone, miracle come. If you want to bring miracle in your children's life, in the board exam, if you want to bring miracles, marks, highest marks, then, so please, all comfort, all function, all kinds of enjoyment, please stop. Help your children. Help your children. Be with them. That is very important. Cut your friend circle, very clear. Cut your friend circles and relative for this specific period. And another point I want to inform to you all, please eat well, sleep well. Eat well, sleep well. Eat the food which gives you energy, not laziness. So if you eat heavy food, you may feel sleepy. The best is that even you eat little but energy food, protein, vitamin. That is very important. And when you sleep well. Maybe 6 hours, maybe 7 hours. You sleep well. If necessary, you sleep 8 hours. Doesn't matter. As per your body condition, as per your physical condition. So again, I want to say, during this sleep, during this eating, everything we have to maintain. The first and final is the routine. Routine. Without planning, nobody can succeed. Whoever succeeded in life, all have followed their planning. Short planning or long planning. So, my dear student, for you, please make your own routine. You take suggestion from here and there, but you make your own routine. That's very important. Let us say 24 hours minus 17 hours, minus 7 hours you sleep. Then it remains only 17 hours. 17 hours from morning to night till you sleep. There you study. How many hours? 17 hours you are getting. Out of 17 hours daytime, you sleep if necessary. Maybe 1 hour, then 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours you minus. Now still out of 17, you have got 13 hours. 13 hours study with full concentration, with full revision. Then naturally we will have big profit. We will have big profit. So my dear student, at the finishing part, I would like to say, please follow your routine. Studying 13 hours is not a joke. Studying 14 hours is not a joke. You can get better result. Who says you cannot? Who says you cannot? But only thing is that you have to fight. No fight, then no result. No fight, no result. So please fight this 13 hours, 14 hours. Then you will get the best result. So in conclusion, I want to ask you, please finish your syllabus, revise, revision very important, concentration important, sleep well, eat well, plan well, follow your routine and avoid all friend circles for this specific period. May God bless you, enjoy and sit for the pre-board and final exam. Let's see next time with higher marks. Thank you.